ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్‌కి పంటల బీమా పథకం కిందన రావాల్సిన డబ్బులు దాదాపు 3000 కోట్ల రూపాయల వరకు ఇంతవరకు ఇవ్వలేదు. వాళ్ళు అన్యాయం అయిపోతున్నారు. తక్షణం ఆ డబ్బులు ఇప్పించండి అన్నటువంటిది ఎవరడగాల? లావు శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయలు గారు అడగాల? చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు అడగాల? అచ్చెన్నాయుడు గారు ఎళ్లి అడగాల? లేపోతే తెలుగుదేశం, జనసేన, బీజేపీ ఎంపీలు అడగాల? ప్రస్తుతం అది అడిగింది వైఎస్ఆర్ కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ ఎంపీ అవినాష్ రెడ్డి. పంటల బీమా బకాయిలు 3,500 కోట్ల రూపాయలు వెంటనే రైతులకు అందించమని చెప్పేసి.
This opportunity to speak on the demands for grants relating to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, sir, for this year 2026-2027. Sir, this is the most important ministry as it sustains rural livelihoods, ensures food security for our 1.4 billion people and supports nearly half of the country's workforce. Sir, I would like to bring several important demands to the notice of this House, sir. Sir, at present, 6,000 rupees is disbursed to farmers annually under PM Kisan scheme, sir. This amount remains unchanged from 2019. Keeping in view of the sharp rise in input costs, it is requested to enhance the PM Kisan amount to 10,000 rupees, sir. Sir, in our state, Andhra Pradesh, the previous YSRCP government, sir, it had implemented free crop insurance scheme during its tenure 2019 to 2024 and distributed 7,802 crores worth of crop insurance amount to over 54 lakh farmers in Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, after the present government took charge in 2024, free crop insurance scheme was completely discontinued, sir. Sir, in 2024-25 budget of Andhra Pradesh, there was absolutely no allocation for crop insurance. In 2025-26, an amount of 1,023 crores was allocated, but not even a single rupee is paid to the insurance companies so far, sir. Since the state failed to pay its share of premium 2,419 crores from last 2 years, the insurance companies has blacklisted Andhra Pradesh for 2025 Rabi season, sir, and no company came forward.
Please come to the
in our state, sir,
budget,
because of
agricultural
which
budget, please
app through which
union budget, please.
farmers, sir,
आप
we problem है यार, రైతుల
आंध्र
బీమా
प्रदेश का विषय यहाँ मत उठाइए, अभी भारत सरकार का विषय उठाइए.
This subject belongs to central government only, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, because of which the app through which farmers pay their share of premium did not open at all, sir. Sir, hence farmers could not pay their premiums at all due to the gross negligence of state government. Sir, we request the government of India to intervene and see to it that the pending crop insurance claims of last 2 years amounting to 3,500 crores are cleared and dispersed to the farmers of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, due to the ongoing Iran-Israel war, sir, the
ఇది ఓవరాల్‌గా 3,500 కోట్ల రూపాయలు వెంటనే రైతులకు అందేలా చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని చెప్పి అడుగుతున్నారు.